Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Jyoti Swarup. In this video, we are going to discuss about future tense, that is simple future. In our previous video, we have completed with the past tense. So in this video, we are going to start the future tense. So first, in this video, we are going to discuss only about simple future and which under which situations we use simple future and how to form a simple future tense. Okay. So what are the situations? Let us see. Prediction of events. Next, will in formal style of scheduled events, will or shall to express hopes, expectations, expectations, etc. Okay, let us see. First we will see about predictions of events. What is predictions of events? So here by the word you can tell that prediction. Okay, prediction of events, that means if you are predicting something that may happen in the future, that type of situations comes under prediction of events, such as prices of petroleum products will rise again next year. So it is a prediction, it may or it may not, it prediction, and it may happen in the future. So these types of prediction of events comes under simple future. Okay, let us take another example under prediction of events in simple future, that is, I shall see you next month. He may or he may not, but he is predicting that he will see you. So these types of situations, that is prediction of events, we use in the simple future. Now moving to the second situation, that is will in formal style of a scheduled events, such as the wedding will take place at Joseph's on 29th June. So these types of things will take place. Okay, these types of situations which we use will take place on that day. So these types of will using situations come under simple future. We have already seen the example that the wedding will take place at St. Joseph's on 29th June. Okay, so now moving to the last situation, that is last point, will or shall to express hopes, expectations, etc. So when you see here example, I hope she will get the job soon. I think we will succeed in our plan. So whichever situation you may take out of these three, they are in future. And again coming to the while, will, shall to express hopes, expectations, etc. The example is I hope she will get the job soon. Here we are using will or shall. Okay, these types of hopes, she is having a hope to get the job. Okay, and shall, expectations, these types of will and shall, expectations or hopes, or these types of situation also come under future tense. Okay, any of the situation you may take under the simple future. Okay, but it remains in future tense. Okay, example, if we take prediction or if we take will formal style, will or shall, we will use the future tense of this. Okay, I hope you had understood about the simple future tense. Now moving to the formation. Okay, how to form a sentence under future tense. Okay, so I have here already I have given that first the subject must come, next shall or will, next the verb. Okay, first the subject, next shall or will, next the verb. Okay, here we need not use any verb form, only just verb. Go, came, there, here, okay, only verbs. Eat, sat, slept, sleep. Okay, not slept, sleep. Okay, these types of words we are not using v1 v2 parts verb. Okay, these types of things we are not using, we are using only verb. First the subject, shall or will, next the verb. Okay, let us take an example as I think we will succeed in our plan. So here I comes the subject, I think we will. So here will has come, next the verb, that is succeed in our plan. So I think we will succeed in our plan. So these types of situation. Okay, this is how we need to form the sentences under a simple future. I think you have understood about simple future. We will end up here. We will meet in our next video. Till then, bye bye. But don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.